Reserved space inventories and assignments for a location can be set up and maintained within Zephire. The system keeps track of the status of each space, and when it's assigned to a parker, this information is readily available through reports. To set up reserved spaces at a location, begin by choosing the Locations menu, and then click on the Reserved Space Management submenu. Select the location you are working with from the drop-down menu. Once selected, you can view and edit existing inventories of spaces by clicking on the Current Spaces tab. Click on Add Spaces to add additional spaces to the location. To add a series of spaces, start by selecting the space type and status from the drop-down menus. Next, enter the space start number and end number to add a pool of spaces, or enter the start number in both fields for a single space. Next, add any prefixes and suffixes if applicable. Type in the space number length next. Then type in the desired padding character for all spaces that have less digits than required. The padding character is typically 0. As applicable, specify whether the padding character should be at the front or back of the actual credential numbers. Zephire allows you to assign a series of spaces to a specific group or tenant. If this series will be assigned in this way, select the group or tenant from the drop-down menu. Then click Add Spaces. These spaces will now appear in the Current Spaces tab. If they are set up in inventory status, they will be available to assign to parkers at this point.